Did you know more than 77 million of Americans don't pay their bills on time? Over 40% of Americans don't have savings, and 39% carry credit card debt from month to month. Many Americans are financially hurting in their day-to-day lives more than ever. Hi there, my name is L.B.Subba and welcome to my weekly episode number 2. Today, I'm going to share why achieving financial success is not that difficult. You see, financial success isn't a hard task to master. It simply takes dedication, hard work, and a little old-fashioned commitment. But it also takes a little knowledge. Too many consumers are ignoring what are financial truths. They simply run up large amounts of debt just to appear successful to those around them. They surround themselves with things that only make them feel better for a minute. They ignore the fact that the debt-free and well-managed financial life is a wonderful way to eliminate stress, which is all too common in today's world. So, what do you need to do to become financially successful? First, you need to spend less than you earn. Sounds easy, but it really isn't for many out there. Regardless, it is easier to spend less than it is to earn more. You simply have to cut your costs. You have to stop charging on your credit cards and you have to stop shopping. Look closely at where your money is going. Look what you already have around you. Get all those projects completed before you buy things for a new project. The way to do this is to have a budget and stick with it. Budgets don't tell you how to spend your money. They tell you how to save your money. You can easily see where your money is going. You can identify areas that you can cut back on, and then you can get spending goals. A budget is a great way to challenge yourself. This is nothing better than saving more money than you thought you could. Surprise yourself with a budget that works. From your budget, you should be able to find the money to start paying off that credit card debt. If you are severely in debt, you may need to get a second job and sell some things to get a head start. Stop using those cards and start paying them off. They are draining the life out of your finances on a daily basis. Hey, this video is brought to you by a side project to grow by exclusive invitation only. If you are someone who is looking to add an additional source of income working online with the laptop and internet from the comfort of your home, shoot me an email to learn more at lbsubba@nimbangenterprise.com. With that, back to your video. You should be contributing to a retirement plan. Research your options and take advantage of them. Don't wait until tomorrow. It will be too late. Start now. When you pay off your debt, put that money to your retirement as well. Who knows? You may be able to retire early. Once you have your debt paid off, you should have a savings plan too. There are goals that you can set for your savings. You may want new furniture or to go on a vacation. You should also save at least 3 to 6 months of money to cover your monthly expenses in the case of an emergency. This will cushion your budget from any repairs, emergencies, illness, or job losses that may happen. Always keep in mind, financial success isn't difficult. It is simply a habit that you have to nurture and maintain. Take the time to sit down and get started. Work on it until it becomes second nature. The more you work on it, the better you will become at it. That's all about this episode. If you have any tips or thoughtful thoughts for personal finance success, leave in the comments and I will see you in the next episode. Hey, if you like my videos and would like to stay tuned, click the subscribe button below this video. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will be notified each time when I upload my videos each week. By the way, I will be giving out various gifts such as books, gift cards, gift amount directly to your PayPal account and so on to those who engage in my YouTube channel. So leave a comment below. I will personally go through each of your comments and pick one of you as a winner subscribers once in a while.